Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Make sure if you like, please subscribe. Now talking to the news, Sunday's tech news, that is Apple. The Apple is planning in next year it can be affordable phones and affordable iPad screens. That is Apple told. Subscribe please. And move to the next one, that is Samsung. Samsung collaboration with MediaTek. Leaks and rumors are coming, and it leaks Z5 Galaxies. As I shown you on the screen, you can see the leaks. Now moving to the next one, that is India's first AI generated news anchor is Lisa. We can see, and Chandrayaan 3 has successfully launched, as you've seen. And mainly it lands on moon, I think 23rd of August, I think so. So move to the next one, that is Google new tensor. Google has launched a new tensor, that is G5. Alright, move to the next one, that is Threads. As you know, it has 100 millions of downloads within 5 days. It is a very huge number. And move to the next one, that is Redmi Note 12. Sorry, only 12. It comes before. It is in India launched it 1st August, and Oneplus 12 first look leaks, as you shown on the screens. You can see. And this may be launched till there will be no, I think so, November or December ending. Mainly it comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen Plus 3, which is so good. And moving to the next one, that is Tata plans $600 million as invested, because it is manufactured in India of 2023 or ending of 24. And Karnataka AI generated first South India, that is Karnataka AI generated news anchor, as you've seen, as I already displayed on. And please make sure likes, please subscribe, and goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.